Welcome cave dwellers, welcome to the Man Cave hobby. This is come at last. It's a bit wet because it's absolutely chucking it down outside, but it came very late in the day, but I've got it. It's my Commodore Plus 4. It's got to be an unboxing, have a quick look at it and see if she turns on. So let's get at it. That's the unboxing of the big box. Well, he's packed them really well, thank you Chris. This is boxes in boxes, so let's go for this one first. See what's in here. So, in this box, I'm just put these over here. Put them over there. So in this box, I've got all the games. So that's that one. So that's the games. So altogether, I paid £100 for this with £15 shipping. Open this one. Oh, this is a data kit. Let's move all these out where. Data cassette. Wow, that's in nice condition. So that's a data cassette. Pretty cool. Let's open. Got an aerial. Let's open it. You can see what that is really. It's a joystick. Wow, that's like brand new. That's sick. That's really like brand new. Super nice. I think this will be the power brick. Yeah, this is the power brick. All been tested by Chris, all working, no problems with the power brick. Oh, I'm really excited. There we go. I can see her. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is so awesome. It's in such nice condition. Wow, thank you Chris. Wow. Oh, this is absolute mint. So what I've done is I've ordered some heat sinks which I'll be putting on the chips, and because it really needs them. But wow, this is proper sick, really nice. Absolutely, even the sticker on the Commodore Plus 4 logo is absolutely mint. Wow, not a speck of dust on it. Looking inside the motherboard, there's absolutely no dust in it at all. He said that he cleaned it all out and everything, so yeah, super happy. As you can see, she works. Have a quick go on this. Oh, this is so sick. Oh no. For now, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Ciao for now.